Last month, we announced that the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints has purchased the Kirtland Temple. The Kirtland Temple has unusual significance in the restoration of the gospel of Jesus Christ. Several events that took place there had been prophesied for millennia and were essential for the Lord's restored church to fulfill its latter-day mission. The most important of these events occurred on Easter Sunday, April 3rd, 1836. On that day, Joseph Smith and Oliver Cowdery experienced a series of remarkable visitations. First, the Lord Jesus Christ appeared. During this visitation, the Lord affirmed his identity. He said, quote, "I am the first and the last. I am he who liveth. I am he who was slain. I am your advocate with the Father." Close quote.